Hey YouTube, this is my custom fit bike check. For the frame, I have a 21-inch top tube fit Aitken S3.5. For the front wheel, I have the gsport birdcage rim and a Demolition Momentum hub. For my back wheel, I have the Shadow Stunt wheel, which has a Shadow Raptor hub and a Shadow Stun rim. I have Eastern Nomad cranks with Demolition PC pedals. Got Kink Links handlebars, ODI grips, Primo Annihilator stem, and a Kink integrated headset. Got We the People Excalibur forks. I don't think they make these anymore. I like them though. My back wheel sounds really nice. Yeah. Only thing left stock on this bike is the seat and post and the sprocket. I think they're off a Miraco bike. Alright, see you later.